Hi, I'm Dr. Shalan, and today I will be your guide on an emotional journey, diving into the heart of erectile dysfunction and Peyronie's disease. It's not just about medical solutions, it's about rediscovering confidence and reclaiming your essence. Beyond the pursuit of physical hardness lies a heavier burden, the emotional weight carried by those grappling with erectile dysfunction and Peyronie's disease. It's not just about performance, it's a profound blow to one's sense of masculinity and self-worth. Yet, amid the shadows of light emerges the transformative power of universal clinics, Shockwave treatment. Your journey is not one walked alone. The Shockwave of transformation at Universal Clinic is here to guide you towards the renewal of masculinity and the restoration of inner confidence. Take that first step towards reclaiming your vitality and confidence. Universal Clinic is ready to stand beside you, offering support and confidence every step of the way.